Seems these days I tend to write a lot, the only kind of therapy to get me out of bad spots. I see those big lights, I see the marquee. The only problem with them is I see this life is not for me. I'm not a rock star, I'm a human being, the small town zero in a puddle in search for something. And what that is, man, I'm not quite sure, but the better half of me is hoping we can catch a tour. Not for money, not for self, and not for fame. I just wanna make some new friends that possibly feel the same. So sick of it, I'm sick of no elements. The benefit of nothing is that something's gotta come of it. Something's gotta give, something's gotta break. Someone help me live, someone come and take away all of this hate. It's ridiculous, this town's grown cold. In the city so slow, I tend to feel so old. Whether or not we're all touching, people are pushing and pushing each other without a reason. It doesn't seem to be feasible. If it's easier to just run, then I'm gone. If it's easier to stay, then I'm home. Believe it or not, but I'm not that far. Just sick and tired of fighting this war. Either we're working and fighting in here, or the pressure of summer is building up fears. Here's all the pillars that hold back the years, but after that, who's holding back all the tears? Picture is clear, we're back up a bit. We're back up so bad that you can't see or hear. We're sick of this room, it's hatred is here. I'm getting so sick that I'm moved out of here. You can't divide us, we are fearless. You can't judge us if you can't hear us. We stand together as if we all get so. Time after time you can't divide by zero. You can hide truth, but we will find proof. You can kill us, but we'll break right through. Together we stand, no God or hero. Proving no power can divide by zero. I need to step away. Who's got a getaway car? Let's get away fast, let's get away real far. Real hard these days have become. If I disappear tonight, would you know where I'm coming from? Make a left at the last light in my closet. There you'll find my death from mineral deposits. You'll call it what you want it, but I just don't care. If you can't understand, try to take a breath of fresh air. Yeah, I'll say it, the choir's been killed by a fast food nation down in small town Murderville. Ever still, her body steady slows as the blood clot grows from the energies disposed. Oh no, time flows through the bottom, a crack in our deadline, leaving life downtrodden. What'll happen? It'll all just fall, cause we all like to preach, but never follow through, so let it go. I speak to the megaphone, but the megaphone is dead. Is there a reason for this carelessness? Are we all really that well fed? There's so much going on around us, shit you believe all that you hear. Instead of looking at the horse's mouth, you sit right next to the horses where it's horseshit. Yeah, with a purpose of service, rusting a surplus of surrogate assholes. Succeeding and surprising with the dreams of fervent sex scandals and cash rolls. Castles crush their lots, and that's where dreams are really made. Continue with your slumber, and I fear our dreams will forever fade. You can't divide us, we are fearless. You can't judge us if you can't hear us. We stand together as if we all get so. Time after time you can't divide There's a moment where your life force will change, but you must own it. The slow digression of the flesh will always seem repugnant, but you must realize that your eyes lie decidingly in better lighting. Keep your head in present